Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Open the video, bete. Assalamualaikum everyone. Bete, send present teacher with your name. Attendance, please. Start writing present teacher with your name. Only Sinan did. Aryan, please write it. Very good, Reja. Mubashir, attendance, please. Message me. Ali Salman, Anaya, Amna Sheikh, please message me. Mubashir, please message me, present teacher. Near participant, there is an option of chat, CHAT chat. Message me, present teacher. Amna Sheikh, message me. Amna, beta, I received your homework. Very good homework you did, please. Write present teacher. Write present teacher, beta. Anaya, please open video. Students who are not submitting their assignment, it has marks. If you won't submit the assignment on time, you won't be getting marks of it. So Ali Salman, Aryan, Reja, submit the homework. The previous homework, please.
I have submitted all homework.
Sinan did very good. Amna did very good. I received your homework, beta. I remarks as well. I already have sent the remarks to you. Sinan, check it out. It was checked by me. Aryan, message me. Danish, Anaya, message me. Okay, Sinan, please recite the dua, bete.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أنزلناه في ليلة القدر وما أدراك ما ليلة القدر ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahul Azim, Subhanallah, bete. Abhiya, Aryan, please message me, present teacher, quickly. Aryan did very good. Abhiya, attendance, please. Right, present teacher. Mention your class section, present teacher. Quickly message me, Abhiya. I'm waiting for the attendance. Abdullah Danish, wake up. Attendance, please. Right, present teacher. Danish, kindly open camera, otherwise I will remove you. The student who are not using camera and not opening it, I'm removing them. Strictly. Abdullah Danish. Yes, beta, unmute yourself. Mubashir.
मिस आप पिछले का आप रिव्यू दे सकती हैं मिस हमें
The review of tenses.
यस मिस कल इंटरनेट इश्यूज हो गए थे.
Okay, no problem, beta. I'll be giving it to you. No issue. Yes, anyone else? Amna, open the video. Abhiya, speak up, beta.
Miss, I want to ask that
I didn't attend yesterday's class because there was a net electricity issue, and only in my father's iPad there is an internet. So my
No
sister
problem,
went
bete. Abhiya, no problem. I can understand. We all are facing the troubles now. The electricity problem, the internet issue, we all are facing it. The solution for it, I have shared the link. Listen it carefully, bete. The link I have shared in WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Whenever it works fine, just submit that. Whenever the net it starts working, submit it.
I completed my test of tenses. I got 10 out of 8. So I've done that test, and sorry for not attending.
You got 7,
class.
Abhiya?
No, miss, 8 I got.
The score was
Yes,
8 over there?
Yes, there were 8.
Okay, then the next Abhiya got the 7, I think.
Yes, miss. And miss, I'm saying that I've sent you the message that we have ran present.
Very good. Okay, again, as Mubashir requests, we will start the tenses again. We will review it. Then on Monday, I'll be taking your second quiz of vocabulary. So get ready for it. After weekend, don't forget we are having test on Monday. Fine. Today, I'm not doing any new topic. As Mubashir requests to review the previous topic. So again, I'm reviewing. Yes, Rija bete. Unmute yourself.
टीचर आप क्विज वोकैबुलरी करेंगी तो कौन से वोकैबुलरी करेंगी?
We done 27 vocabulary now. That one. ठीक है? I can ask anything to you. I can ask to frame sentences of that. I can ask to use them in paragraph, anything. Fine. Or I can add tenses as well. Tenses today I'm reviewing it because the topic is not clear to you students. Yes, Betty Humara, please ask the question. Did you get the last topic? Unmute yourself. You are the new student. Betty, share the problems.
Measurement.
Betty, are you getting the topic?
Yes.
But the quiz was not good of yours. If you understand the topic, Betty, you have to do quiz very well now. What was the score of yours?
4.
Not good now. I know. I have seen it. So, Betty Omera, on the spot, ask the question. I will try my level best to review and repeat the lecture so many times. Just I want you to raise hand and ask the question to me. Fine? You have to ask question. Fine? Otherwise, how could I get that you did not get the topic? Fine? You all are sitting at other hand. So I really want you to please cooperate with me and clear all the confusions. Fine? All the problem shares with me, whether it's about software, it's about ID, Zoom, whatever you are facing, share with me. Whether it's an internet connection problem, timings problem, please share with me. Fine? You all are openly, you can share things with me. You all are most welcome. Abdullah Danish, I will mark absent, I will remove from the class. A last warning for you. I'm removing 1, tick, tick, 2. Now I'm removing you. Abdullah Danish. A warning for you, and next time I will remove you from the class. Okay? Open camera. Give your attendance, present teacher. Very good. Everyone who did Abhiya Imran of 6 green, please write present teacher. Quickly message me. Who are sleeping, wake up now. Stand up, take out the notebook and worksheet set. Quickly. Ali Salman, you leave the place. Roaming in the home. Come back, come to place. Come to place. All of you give attendance to me. I will mark absent. Whosoever will not message me, get the word, I will mark their absent. Then don't say, Miss, you did not mark my attendance. Is this clear to all of you? Okay, now I'm starting the topic, tenses. I'm sharing the screen. Everyone look at that. Do not off the camera of yours. Okay. We have done all simple and all continuous tenses. Are you all able to look at it? Raise the hand, Mubashir. Are you getting it? The desktop. Look at this. If the verb is second form, so I can judge easily this tense. Here it is past simple because here I have used second form of verb. Look at this sentence. I study English. Here in this sentence, I use first form. So this is simple present. Here I have used will study. So with will, when I use first form, it's mean it is future simple. Clear? Again, I'm repeating it. When I'm making the negative of simple present, look at this. Are you all able to look at these examples? He plays cricket. Fine. Here I have used S form. Why? Because subject is third person singular. When I'm making the negative, I'll be using does not. Why? The reason the subject is third person singular. As I told you, if subject is he, she, it, or name, third person singular, I'll be using the helping verb does to make negative or interrogative. But if subject is I, we, you, they, I'll be using do to make negative or interrogative. Like we watch television daily. We do not watch television daily. Do we watch television daily? Look at the difference. Here I have used do helping verb to make negative interrogative. Clear? Because the subject is we over here. This is. It's not third person singular. It's first person plural subject. Okay. This is third person singular. He, she, it, or name. Fine. If subject is I, we, you, they, we use do to make negative or interrogative. These are two helping verb of simple present tense. Do, does. The structure which we follow is subject, first form plus as, es. Look at this. With first form we use as, es. Clear? Simple present is clear to all of you? Raise the hand, please. Any confusion? Yes, Mubashir, the topic is clear. Raise the hand, bete. Unmute yourself.
Yes, Miss. समझ में आया.
Very good. Can you make negative?
Yes.
Okay, make negative. We take class.
Take class. क्या Miss?
Do make negative and interrogative. We take class.
We take class. We did not take class.
Wrong. I told you in simple present we use do and does. Abhiya, what will be the correct answer?
We does not take the
Wrong, Abhiya.
We do not take the class.
Very good, Abhiya. This is the correct answer.
And
Kindly practice with me. Practice with me. Humaira, unmute yourself. She submits the lecture. Negative interrogative. Do make negative interrogative.
She does not submit
Very
a
good.
lecture. Does she submit a lecture? Question
Very
mark.
good, bete Humaira. Clear? So you have to practice in the manner
Yes.
with me. Okay, Asghar. Asghar plays cricket. Make interrogative the negative, please. Asghar plays cricket.
Asghar did not play cricket.
Asghar, no.
Asghar does not play cricket.
Yes, this is fine. Very good. Abia Imran, unmute yourself. 6 green. Abia watches the television. Negative interrogative. Unmute yourself. Okay, write the answer in the message. Your audio is not, your microphone is not working.
Don't watch the television.
Abia watches the television.
Abia does not watch the television.
Excellent job, Abia. Very good attempt. Rafe, unmute yourself. I dash yesterday.
Yes, teacher.
I dash absent yesterday. What will come?
I was.
Very good. Amna Sheikh. Dash come tomorrow. Dash you come tomorrow. What will come?
She comes tomorrow.
Dash you come tomorrow. What will come?
मिस आप क्वेश्चन फिर से बोल देंगी?
Dash you come tomorrow.
No miss.
No. Okay, Anaya, give the answer. Unmute yourself. Dash you come tomorrow.
Can you repeat?
Question mark.
Will you come tomorrow?
Loudly, bete.
Will you come tomorrow?
Very good, Anaya. Excellent job it is. Amna, listen it carefully. Because it's future tense, we will use will you. Excellent job, Anaya. Okay, Moise, open the camera of yours. Okay. Everyone, I'm giving a sentence. Everyone should message me negative or interrogative. Clear? Everyone should message me negative or interrogative. Clear?
Yes, miss.
They complete their work. They complete their work. Negative interrogative, quickly. Do message me in chat. Umaira, Mubashir, everyone do it. Write message.
Will they complete?
They complete their work. T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-I-R there, not the there. T-H-E-Y, they complete their work.
इसको मिस नेगेटिव या इंटर
G.
गेटिव?
G bete, make negative interrogative. Quickly, everyone. Moiz with they we use Abia Imran. Wrong. Anaya with they we don't use does. Correct this. Moiz, correct it, please. It's wrong. Abdullah Danish, very good. Capital. The first letter should be capital and the question mark is missing. Do they complete their work? Question mark missing. Capital letter missing. The first letter should be capital. Abdullah Farhan, we are not making the past simple, bete. How come you are using did? Very good, very good. Care about the capital letter, bete. First letter should be capital. Abdullah Farhan, correct. Correct your mistake, Abdullah Farhan. With I, we, you, they. We used do. Get the word of mine. They do not, do they. Clear? Now, second sentence I am giving you. I marked the attendance. Marked, second for my use. It's past simple. M-A-R-K-E-D. I marked the attendance. Now make negative interrogative quickly. Have you done the correction, Anaya? In simple present, we use do and does. Don't use did. Abdullah Farhan. Very good. Now you are correct, Abdullah Farhan. Excellent job, Amna. Aryan, very good. Aryan, look at the sentence you wrote. Does they? It's incorrect, bete. Right, do they? I do not. Wrong, Abhiya Imran. Bete, I said I do not. I said mark. Ed. Past simple. I did not mark. Full stop. Yes, please write it.
मिस मैं लिख रही हूँ, वो गलती से एकदम से वो चला गया
Okay,
था,
no issue. Write
तो-
it. Write it. Write it now. No issue. Yes, Umaira, are you
Yes.
making? Unmute yourself. Unmute Rija yourself.
Miss,
जी बोले बेटे.
Teacher, can you repeat the question?
I marked the attendance. M-A-R-K-E-T, marked. Make negative interrogative, Rija. Yes, Umaira, share the problem.
Miss, there is the.
I marked the attendance. T-H-E, the.
Okay.
इतने बैठो ना, ये ज्यादा लेते हैं.
Very good, Abdullah Farhan, but question mark is missing. Abdullah Farhan, question mark in question. You are asking now, bete. When the sentence is Abdullah Rafi, bete, it's incorrect. I'm giving a simple past tense. Do we cannot use in simple past. Amna, excellent job. The full stop is missing. Abdullah Danish, correct. Please, it's incorrect. Muhammad Danish, very good. Excellent job. Moise, open camera, please. Aryan, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, please.
Teacher, आप sentence repeat कर सकते हैं?
What did you say, bete?
Sentence repeat.
I mark, I-M-A-R-K-E-D, mark the attendance. Make negative interrogative. Unmute yourself, Anaya.
Miss, I sent you the answer.
Repeat, bete, please. The voice is not clear.
Teacher, I sent the answer.
The voice is too slow, my dear. Okay. Write the message. Anaya, write the message to me, please. Okay, I'm moving forward. I will take test on Monday. Make negative interrogative. I will take test on Monday. Make negative interrogative. Quickly. Silan, excellent job it is. Both the sentences are correct and both are properly punctuated. Excellent job, Sinan. For you. Rafi has the question.
मिस आप वो सेंटेंस दोबारा रिपीट कर देंगी?
Which one, beta? I marked the attendance.
नहीं मिस, उसके बाद वाला अभी जो आपने पूछा है.
I will take test on Monday.
मिस फिर से रिपीट कर दें.
I will take test on Monday. I will take test on Monday. Quickly make negative interrogative. Very good. Abdullah Farhan, excellent job. Very nice. All the words are properly punctuated. Very nice. M is capital. The full stop is there. I is capital. Very good. Excellent job, Sinan. Very good. Anaya, punctuate the sentence. Full stop missing. M is small. Will W is small. Punctuate this. When we are speaking, there is no need to check the grammar. But when we are writing, it's very important to punctuate it carefully. So in writing, please be careful. Everything should be proper. Recheck each and everything. Very good, Abia, Imran, Reja. Excellent job. Danish, very nice. Amsal, I did not get any where are the sentences of yours? What are you doing right now? You did not send the 3 sentences to me up till now. And you did not message me present teacher as well. Quickly, I have to move forward. Done. Now I am sharing the screen again. Sinan, send the present teacher, please message me. Muhammad Saqib, send the present teacher and make sentence bete practice. Okay, I'm sharing the screen again. Now all continuous tenses. Look at this yellow portion. If the sentence is past continuous, past progressive, I will use the helping verb was, were. W-A-S-W-E-R-E for plural. Okay? If subject is plural, I'll be using the plural. They were. I was. She was. He was. It was. You were. They were. Is this clear to everyone? In past continuous, we have 2 helping verb, was and were. Fine. Whenever we make negative or interrogative, we use these 2 helping verb. Now, if the sentence is present continuous, I'll be using is, am, are. If subject is third person singular, he, she, it, or name, I will use is, I-S, is. If I'm using I, with I, we use am. Only with I am. But with other subject like you are, A-R-E-R. Fine, we are, they are. Clear? For making negative or interrogative, this is present continuous. For future continuous, everywhere with all subject we use will be. Okay, I think Mushk. Assalamu alaikum, Mushk bete, what happened?
Teacher, I'm entering the password, but I am not going in the class.
Bete, all the students have joined the class. Why not you? Okay, wait, let me send the ID to you again. Bete, it is correct. All are using the same. Okay, wait. Okay, student. Did you get the all continuous tenses? Now make negative or interrogative. I will be writing a letter. Make negative or interrogative. Quickly. I will be writing a letter. Quickly make negative or interrogative. Message me in chat. Done? Very good. Start doing it. I will be writing a letter. Make negative or interrogative. Mubashir, unmute yourself. Humaira, you as well. Quickly start sending me message. Humaira, start sending me message. I'm watching you. Everyone start doing. I will be writing a letter. Negative interrogative. Wrong, Rafi. I said I will be writing. Aryan. Very good. Excellent job it is. Sinan. Aryan, it is wrong. Bete, correct the sentence. Sinan, excellent job. Abdullah Farhan, you are near. Do correction. 2 mistakes you have done. The full stop is not there and B is not in the correct position. The negation will occur after first auxiliary. Correct this. Please correct this. Abhi Imran, it's fine. Very good. Asghar, how come you are using do, my dear? What is this? In continuous tense, we can't use do. I will be writing a letter. Simply add not. No doodles. Saqib, there is something wrong with your headphone because all are listening to me. Check your internet connection and your headphone and microphone, please. Open the video of yours. Quickly, all of you. Amsal, I will not be. Get the word I will not be, bete. I told you na, the helping verb occur after first auxiliary. Not जो है be से पहले आएगा बेटे, will के बाद. Will first auxiliary, first helping verb के बाद आता है negation. Get the word. Please. Abhiya, be attentive. Everyone be attentive during the class time. Do practice with me. I am writing a letter. Make negative interrogative. I am writing a letter. Negative interrogative. Quickly. I am writing a letter. I'll be giving this assignment to you. You have to practice all simple present, simple past, simple future, and all continuous tenses. This is your assignment. Do practice in weekend. On Monday, you are having a test. Is this clear to all? Your class time ended now. Hope you got the today's lecture and review. Mubashir, you got it?
Yes.
Very good. Maya, the confusion is clear now?
Yes.
Yes, Reja, unmute yourself. Quickly, you have the next class as well. Abhiya Imran,
repeat the question?
I am writing a letter. बेटे अब्दुल्ला दानिश, अभी मैंने आपको बताया negation पहली auxiliary के बाद आएगी बेटे. Be not के बाद लिखें. I will not be writing a letter. And will I be writing a letter? I am not writing a letter. Am I not writing a letter? In this manner. Yes, बेटे, ask the question. Mubashir, you are on mute.
मिस आपने कल होमवर्क दिया था उसका?
No, bete, yesterday I have given you test. I did not give you assignment. Yesterday I took the quiz and I gave the test on Monday. Today I'll be giving the assignment to you. Today I will give the assignment to practice. Sinan, unmute yourself. You who is Moto E.
Teacher, I have sent you a message.
You send me a message. Sinan, you did no sentence.
Yes.
Check it's correct, bete.
Okay.
Now someone is joining us when the class is over. Let's see who is he or she. Then I will mark the attendance. Mushk. Okay. Congratulations to get the ID, Mushk. And Allah Hafiz. Okay. Let her join now. I really wanted to see. Mush, bete, try to get up at 9, at least 8:30 na, so that you can join the class on time. We are leaving. Quickly join. Otherwise, I will switch off and you will continuously joining me. Quickly. Okay, her internet connection is too slow. I'm waiting for her to join me. I will mark attendance. Oh, Mushk. Okay, anyone else wish to ask the question? Yes, Abhiya Imran, unmute yourself.
Miss, I have sent you the sentence. Please check.
I will check, Betty. Please submit the assignment through University. You did not view. Try to open University daily. Check the news portion. The bell icon, check daily to get the intimation and notification. Daily check homework.
I want to ask that आपने उस दिन कौन सा किया? Wednesday को I didn't attend the Wednesday class just because of electricity issue.
बेटे, I always give 5 days to you to complete assignment. मैं हमेशा आपको 5 दिन देती हूँ weekend के साथ. If I'm giving on Monday, I will take on Friday. So 5 days are enough for you, my dear. If I give Friday, I give time to till Wednesday or Tuesday. So you have 6 days with you to submit. Unmute. Amna beti, unmute yourself. You have weekend with you 5 days to complete assignment. चिल होके पढ़ रहे हैं आप, है ना?
Teacher, which assignment?
बेटे बच्चे, I will be giving today. You have to submit till Wednesday. So during the weekend, try to check the bell icon, notifications. I'm gonna ask the question.
Miss,
Practice of tenses. She did not join the class. Okay, Allah Hafiz, everyone. Mushk did not join. I think there is something wrong with the internet connection. Again she came and again she is going. Okay.
Teacher,
Take care
what
of
do we
yourself,
have to
be
send
between.
in today's assignment?
Today I'll be giving the practice of sentences. The tenses, all continuous, all simple one.
Miss, Monday को quiz है.
Gee, Monday we are having the quiz again. Enjoy the online test.
Okay.
Gee, unmute.
मिस अभी टाइम टेबल नहीं बता देंगी, इसके बाद क्या वो गैप है? We are having gap.
Bete, I told you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Miss Javeria will take class at 4 or I will take Miss Javeria class. So don't forget this. I will WhatsApp, I will message you through university as well and through WhatsApp as well. Clear it? I have changed the class with, sorry, not at 4. Sorry. You are in the same timing. It's only for the class 5. Sorry, extremely sorry, Bete. You will be having on Monday at 9 a.m. Clear? It's for class 5. Extremely sorry. You are in 6th standard now, not just erase from my mind that you are in 6th standard now. Still, I'm thinking you are in the 5th standard.
No, miss, we are in 5th standard.
I know. Congratulations for promotion, my dear. Congratulate. You all are promoted to 6.
Yes.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Have
Allah
fun.
Hafiz.
Have a great weekend ahead. Allah Hafiz. Take good